Hi all. Today we are going to see how to solve a data interpretation question using Vedic Maths in your competitive exams. That is, in certain competitive exams, we undergo the data interpretation questions, and we think that the calculation based on the data given is very tedious. It is very complex, but it is not the case. So here I'm going to solve uh, UGC net, UGC net previous year's paper, how to calculate the result required using Vedic Maths technique, using Vedic Maths calculation techniques. So here it goes on. Let me copy paste the question here. I have gone to a website here. So I will be taking this particular question. So based on that, we are going to find out the total number of persons in each organization. So this is the question, and it is UGC NET 2018 paper, and it is data interpretation. So the main concept is how we can apply the Vedic maths in this particular question. That is the main concept here. Okay, so let us solve this. So consider the following two tables that indicate the percentage of employees working in various departments of an organization along with the ratio of men. That means they have given the ratio of men to women in this particular table, table 2. In table 1, they have given the percentage of the employees department wise. Okay, so the total number of employees in that particular organization is given as 4,600. Total number of employees is given as 4,600. Now, the percentage of employees, that is IT, percentage of employees in IT sector, IT department, you can say, they're given it to be a department. It is 26%. So out of 4,600, 26 are working in IT department. So how do you calculate this? 26 upon 100 into 4,600. So you cancel the zeros out here. Now you can multiply this in a normal maths method also by the usual technique. But there is again a shortcut trick here. So we are going to apply the method vertically and crosswise. Vertically and crosswise. So that becomes 6 into 6 is 36. Here we use the IXI method. What is this IXI method? We multiply the ones place digit. This is the ones place digit. We multiply the tens place digit. This is the vertical multiplication of ones place and tens place. Now this is crosswise multiplication. That is tens place of one number and ones place of another number will be multiplied and they will be added. So now I'm going to do this step by step. 6 into 6 is 36. 6 into 2 is 12. 12 plus 6 into 4 is 24. So 12 plus 24. So you can directly write it as 36. Two into 4 is 8. So we use a thumb rule method to add here. So 36 plus 3 is nothing but 39. 8 plus 3, this 3 becomes a carryover. 8 plus 3 is nothing but 11. Now let us see the product. 11, 11, 9, 6. So it is 1196. So out of 4600 employees in that organization, 1196 employees work in IT department. So you can write it as here 1196. Now it is given as in ratio. So it is like we have to consider it as 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 together is 4. So 4x, which is equal to 1196. X is equal to 1196 divided by 4. That is, we are going to find out the male because number of males. It is number of men. So it is nothing but 4 2s are 8. Balance is 39. 4 9s are 36. Again 4 9s are 36. So 299 men work in IT department. Now let us see how many female work. So it is naturally 3 into 299. 3 into 299. So for this you need not multiply as it is. So you can use again something called as dodging table method. So 3 9s are 27. Again 3 9s are 27. 3 2s are 6. 27. This 2 from this 27 is a carry over to this 20. This 27. So this becomes 29. So this 2 is nothing but it's a carry over to the 6. So it is becoming 8. So the answer is 897. So the number of women working in IT department in that organization is 897. So it took hardly few minutes. So if you know the method, then you can easily do it. But you just need to practice based on this. Using the Vedic Maths technique, you have to practice. Now let us see the marketing department. How many employees are working in marketing department? Now it is given 22%. So 22% out of 4,600 work in marketing department. It is 22 by 100 into 4,600. So it is nothing but 4,600. So 4,600, the 2 zeros will get cancelled here. So it is nothing but 46 into 22. This 22 can be split as 2 into 11. So 46 into 2, it is nothing but 92. So 92 into 11, there is a strategy in multiplication by 11 technique in Vedic mathematics. So 2 is written here, 9 is written here, and between the number 9 and 2 is added. So 9, 11, and 2. Now this 1 acts as a carryover to this 9 and it becomes 10. So this is nothing but 1012. So there are 1012 which work in IT department. Now the ratio of marketing department of men and women is given as 1:1. Now to find the number of men and women, it is given as 1:1. So automatically this 1012 will be divided by 2. Then only the equal amount will come. Then only the men and women are working in equal are equal in that particular organization for marketing department. So this is nothing but 506. So the number of men and women which work in marketing department, the number of men and women who work in marketing department of that particular organization is 506 each. So we have found out the number of employees working in IT department, the number of men and women working in IT department, and also the number of men and women working in marketing department as well. Now there are 4 more departments: purchase, HR, accounts, and production. Now let us see the purchase department. Now let us see the purchase department. So it is 18%. 18% out of 4,600. Now it is 18 by 100 into 4,600. Now 2 zeros will get cancelled. So it is 46 into 18. This is a multiplication strategy by 12 to 19. It is called the ultimate and twice the penultimate. So what do we do here? So 8 into 6 plus 0. 8 into 4 plus 6. 8 into 0 plus 4. So it is nothing but 4. So 32 plus 6 is nothing but 38. 8 6 are 48. Now this 4 acts as a carryover here. So it becomes 42. This 4 again acts as a carryover here. So it becomes 8. So the answer is 828. So there are total 828 employees working in the purchase department of that organization. Now, they have given the ratio of men and women as 5:1. Men and women as 5:1. So it is nothing but 6. So what you have to do? Divide 828 by 6. So what happens is 6 ones are 6. So 22 is left out. 6 threes are 18. 22 minus 18 is 4. 6 eights are 48. So we found out women are 138. So how do we find out men? It is nothing but 5 times women. That's all. So 138 into 5. So what is 138 into 5? Again, we can use the dodging table method here. 5 8s are 40. 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5. So 15 plus 4 is 19 here. Again, this 1 is a carryover here. So it is 690. So 5 times 138 is nothing but 690. So we found out for 3 departments. IT department, marketing department and purchase department. Now HR department. HR department is very much simple to find out. You can find out within a minute. So it is 11% of 4,600. So what you can do, you can directly multiply 46 into 11. That's all. So same multiplication by 11 technique. 6 here, 6 at this corner here, 4 at this corner here, and 4 plus 6 here. So 4, 11, and 6. So it is 5 over here. This one is again this one is a carryover. Sorry. 4 plus 6 is 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. Again, this one is a carryover. So it is 506. It is 506. The total number of employees working in HR department out of 4,600 is 506. Again, the ratio is given as 1:1. Very simple. The ratio of men and women is given as 1:1. So just divide this 506 by 2 to find out the number of males and females. So 506 by 2. That's all. So we know that half of 50 is 25 and half of 6 is 3. So the answer is 253. So 253 men and 253 women work in HR department of a particular organization. Now accounts department. Now in accounts department, how to find out the total number of employees working? So you just multiply 46 by 8. That's all. Multiply 46 by 8. So we know to do using the dodging table method. So 8 6 are 48, 8 4 are 32. So it is nothing but 368. So because using the thumb rule method again, 4 acts as a carryover here. So 32 plus 4 is nothing but 36. So the answer is 368. Now what is the ratio of men and women given here? It is 3:1. Men and women ratio is given as 3:1. So which is nothing but 4. So you have to divide this 368 by 4. That's all. So what happens here? 4 9s are 36. 4 2s are 8. So 92 women work here. And how about males? How about the number of men? 92 into 3. That's all. 92 into 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 9s are 27. That's all. So in accounts department, total 368 employees are working out of 4,600. Now in number of men are 276 in number. Number of women are 92 in number. Last but not the least, in the production department. The production department. So we have to multiply 46 by 15 because 15% of 4,600 is 1. So this is the same as multiplication by 12 to 19. The procedure what you have used to multiply 46 into 18, it is the same procedure to multiply 46 by 15. Now, 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 0 is 30. 5 4 are 20, 20 plus 6 is 26. 5 zeros are 0, 0 plus 4 is 4. Now, 26 plus 3 is 29 because using the thumb rule method, 3 acts as a carry over here. So, 2 plus 4 is 6. So, the answer is 690. Now, the ratio of men and women is given as 3:2. Ratio of men and women is given as 3:2. So, 3:2. So, this total is 5. So, you can divide the 690 by 5. So, 5 ones are 5. 19 is there. 5 threes are. You can say 13 5s are 65. So, balance is 69 minus 65 is 40. So, 5 8s are 40. So, to find out the number of men, you just multiply 138 by 3. You can find it out using the dodging table method. Please put your answers in the comment box. And number of women also, you can multiply it by 2. So please, this also can be done using the dodging table method. And you can find out the answer. Or you can just double this 138. That is nothing but 138 into 2. That's all. So please put your answers in the comment box. So based on this, there is a series of questions that will be asked in your UGC NET exam or any competitive exam which frames this data interpretation. So you can easily find out using the calculation techniques of Vedic Maths and find your answers within less than few minutes. You need not waste your time doing the normal maths multiplication. Now, how do you verify if your answers are correct? That whatever you have done is correct. So nothing but just find out the total number of employees working in all the departments one by one. So first one is 1196. Second one is 1012. Yeah, it is 1012. IT, marketing department. After marketing, it is a purchase department. Purchase department is 828. IT, marketing, purchase department. After purchase department, HR department. HR department is 506. Next one is accounts department. Accounts department is 368. Last but not the least, production department, it is 619. So try to add it. If the total is 4,600, then all your answers is right. So how do you add it? This also has a simple strategy. Find out the numbers which add up to 10. So 8 plus 2 is 10. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. So it is 0 here. So I'm going to consider this. So it is 30 here. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So 6 plus 2 is 8. 9 plus 3 is 12. So it is 20 here. On the whole, again, it is 30 here. So again, how do we find out? So 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 16. So it is 26. So these are the ways how you can add the numbers easily. So that's what I'm teaching you, the calculation strategies. So you'll not waste your time in exam. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. So the total is 4,600. So whatever data you have, whatever results you have obtained, the number of men, the number of women, and the total number of employees, is all the absolutely correct. So this is how we implement Vedic mathematics while calculating the while solving a data interpretation question in UGC net. So I hope you have all liked this video. So I hope you have all understood this video. If you have understood the techniques, please do like, subscribe, and share my channel of Vedic Mathematics. And also, please put your answers in the chat box for this particular numbers using the dodging table method. Thank you.